Welcome to Camp 161. This is summer 2023, and I'm very excited to have you guys. My name is Danica Solberg, and I will be your instructor. I will be available via email. I will be available during office hours, and I'm going to go kind of through all of that now, but this is just your welcome to Chem 161. This is our general chemistry course for science majors. So I'm kind of on our homepage right now for Canvas. This is what you guys are going to see, and this is where this video is going to live. I'm going to talk through a couple of important things that I need to point out, and what you should do before we actually get going with the course. So what I recommend is working through each module in order. Okay, don't try to jump around. It's just going to confuse you. This class really does build. So start at module 1 and continue on. The materials posted in each module should be completed in order. Do the lecture with the notes first, then do the active chemistry assignment, then do the practice worksheet. And if there's a discussion post, we might have one or two, nothing crazy. Then that would be the last thing that you're going to do. So after we've got about 3 modules and then an exam, there's about 3 modules per exam, and materials in the exam modules are going to be a group quiz, which is really like a review quiz that you can work with a group on. And then you have to schedule to take your exam in the testing center. And I will post a little bit more about the testing center later. The primary modes of communication for me are email and announcements. Excuse me. I know that Canvas alerts can get really annoying when there are a lot of them. However, I will be posting announcements that are important. So I would keep those on, especially for my course. If it was me, if you turn them off, you might miss some things. Sometimes if it's really important, I will send out an actual email from myself to everyone. But most of the time I'm going to use Canvas announcements. Now, I'm not going to spam you with a whole bunch of posting things at one time. I'm going to try to post module by module, so you're not going to get a whole bunch of alerts when things go into Canvas. So just kind of keep that in mind, but announcements aren't going to be important. Okay, so this is me. This is my office phone number. I'm not in my office a lot, so email is definitely a better way to get a hold of me. Office hours for the first 2 weeks, so this Tuesday, Wednesday, are going to be from 8:30 to 9:30 in ICN 1003. It's just down the hall from where your lab is. And then after those first 2 weeks, it'll be from 9 to 10 in that same place on Tuesdays and Wednesdays. My office hours are for anybody. Please come to my office hours. This room is a large room. We've got some tables, so you can just come and work on stuff. If you want to ask questions, check answers with me, I am happy to accommodate. And if you can't make those times work, please let me know. Maybe we can set something else up. If we need to Zoom, here's my Zoom link, but we really won't be Zooming this semester. And then this is the textbook, which is free online. We also have an embedded tutor. His name is Daniel. So if you check out his embedded tutor page, I don't think he's updated his hours yet, but he's very knowledgeable and very helpful and very good at explaining things, especially if you need something explained a different way than how I explained it. Shoot him an email. You can meet up with him. He knows how my course goes. He knows the material you're going to be using. And he's going to be a really great resource. So I highly recommend using him, especially if you need just like a little support on something, since this course is so fast paced. Now you can get through the modules through here, but I recommend going to the modules tab over here. And then of course the syllabus. I did make a syllabus intro video, so make sure you watch that so you know what to expect. But that's mainly what's going on the homepage. All your stuff is going to pop up over here that is due. And I'm going to try to make all of the dates so that they'll show up here and you know what to expect. So the next thing I'm going to do is go to modules here. And you can see the only thing that's here is the getting started module. And yes, it's the same as all of your other Canvas getting started modules. However, your meet your faculty one is of course a little bit different because that's about me and about this course. So I am going to look at this really quick. This is all the stuff you're going to do. These are what all your modules are. These are all of the things that you're going to be learning throughout the course. And these are like the specific objectives that you have to be able to do for each module or each unit. Like I was saying before, you get about 3 modules per exam. So if you want kind of a course overview, it's all right here. And so let's go back to this. Again, most of this is similar to what you've seen before. I would like you to use this time to introduce yourself. Okay, I will post on here as well a little bit about me, but I really just want to know, like, why are you taking this class? Are there any particular strengths you bring? Are you worried about anything? How do you approach difficult problems? Because there are going to be some difficult problems in this course, and then anything else that you would like me to know. There is also a question and answer forum. So if you have a question that maybe somebody else also might have as a question, I highly recommend putting it here. I will respond to it here, then everyone can see it. You can post anonymously if it's a question you don't want people to know was you, but this can be helpful for other people as well. So just keep in mind that that discussion post is there and will be there all semester. Now, next is going to be your module 1 is going to be posted here. You will get a video for that as well. Your grades are here, your syllabus is here, the discussions are here, and that's really about all you need for the course. If you have questions, shoot me an email, and I'm looking forward to the summer.